tingin sa mga online journals. Very good. Pagtingin natin sa mga online journals. Nurses. Now, aside from that, nurses, is the administration. Nurses. Because of nursing informatics, meron tayong tinatawag na ano? Meron tayong tinatawag na computerized scheduling. Nurses. Now, dito meron tayong dalawang klase ng scheduling. Ano yun? The centralized and yun lang, nurses. So, hindi lang agad. So, we have centralized and decentralized scheduling. Kapag centralized, sino gumagawa? Sino? The chief nurse. Kapag decentralized, sino gumagawa? Baka mabababa yung head nurse and nurse manager. Ang inyong computerized scheduling, sino gumagawa niya? Computer. So, ibig sabihin ano yan? Centralized or decentralized? Centralized yan. Kasi isang system lang ang gumagana. Kapag hindi naman magpapolit sa nurses, so magkakalimutan yan. Now, nurses, eto tatandaan mo, we are now going to shift in the nursing processes. So, dati, simula makaluma hanggang makabago. Nurses, from manual, magiging ano tayo? Automated. Nurses, ano pa? From paper, magiging paperless. Nurses, so yan yung ginawa namin dati sa isang hospital. Nurses, dahil, sinong makakalaban mo talaga